How do you transform a boring looking Instagram profile and feed that doesn't attract into one that demonstrates trustworthiness and represents your brand? Let's find out. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, in order to create a beautiful Instagram feed and aesthetically pleasing one, we must first see what you shouldn't do. So let's take this one as an example right here. I think you can pinpoint some things that are wrong with you yourself. But let's take them one by one and see what they are and change them to see the real results. The first thing you notice here is that the main part of the profile is not well optimized. The profile image is blurry and doesn't represent the brand or the logo of the business. Now let's go to Canva, re-upload the logo, and create one that is high quality. We're going to use a square image. We're gonna fill out the background with the branding color, use the logo, download it in high quality, and then upload it to Instagram. It already looks so much better. Next, the username is just too much. I would use a username that represents the brand, represents what the business is about, but without too many additional letters or numbers. The same goes for the name of the profile. It should say the brand name and a few details about what the business is about, some keywords that people might be searching on Instagram, or when they click on the profile, they might immediately notice what the profile is about. This will help the account's SEO optimization. Now, for the description, writing everything in one single line is never a good idea, because it will confuse people and nobody likes to read a lot of things, but they would rather read little things by different points. A one-line description is bulky, nobody will read it, it is hard to understand, and it has only one element, the typing. Instead, you must stick to important points you want to make about your business. Write them one by one in each line. You can use emojis or different types of symbols to delimitate those. You can use fun emojis if your brand is more colorful or youthful, or you can use different types of symbols that are more elegant if your brand is more elegant and minimal. The next thing we need to do is add the website link and add a call to action in the description for people to shop now, get 20% off, subscribe to our email list, or anything else. Make sure to include a call to action in the description. Of course, if your profile is not a business one yet, you must transform it into one and connect your Facebook page as well. Next, a professional Instagram profile needs highlights, so story highlights in which you add different stories with custom covers or at least branded ones, so ones that will fit your profile's aesthetic. For that, you must first think of some highlights that you want to add. For example, shop, new, and different types of categories of products that you have in your shop. Next, you'll have to think of covers for them and create branded ones. This is something that you can learn by watching this video right here. So this video will teach you how to create and add your custom covers to your story highlights based on your brand's color palette and style. The one thing that is left to do right now is to transform the Instagram feed. You can optimize your Instagram account all you want, but if you don't pay attention to the content you post, it will never be good enough. So to change that and make your Instagram account truly professional, we will create a cohesive Instagram feed as I show you in this video right here. Now let's take these images and apply the strategies that I shared in that video. First, we will choose the images that represent our products. We will create a feed that looks kind of nice, and then we will apply a preset to all of them by modifying the lighting a little bit in Lightroom, and then we will arrange or rearrange the feed in Canva again before posting on Instagram. So there you go, this is how you transform a boring looking Instagram feed and an Instagram account into a professional, follow-worthy one for your business. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out with some tips, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia Incoming Success for more content on making money online and social media marketing. You can also check out my website and my Fiverr account for social media and website design services that will help you boost your sales in your business. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.